What's going on? This is Markie. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should be priority. You want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. First off, allow me to explain Allison free online courses and how it works. Allison works by offering free, self-paced online courses created by experts, funded by ads and optional paid certificates, allowing users to learn skills and modules, pass assessments, needing 80% and higher, and download a free learner record or pay for official certificate or diploma to prove their achievements, all accessible via web or app. In the world of management and leadership, we can safely argue that it could be either two positions wrapped into one or can be two separate roles. But leadership at the workplace need to be upskilled and reskilled in order to accomplish what needs to be done in the workforce. Far too many leaders still create codependency amongst their employees or teams when it comes to getting jobs done. Give them half the task, then come back for the second part, limiting the access to their employees so they have to come back to you in order to get the work done. My title in this tutorial says it best: a leader builds a room to run without them. This will create autonomy and trust. Many employees will love to come in and just do a good job and be productive without the back and forth along with the gatekeeping. A leader who builds a room to run without them will shift focus from micromanagement of the employees to empowerment. You have to understand the true measure of leadership is not what happens when you're in the room, but what happens when you leave. Scaling a business or team requires designing robust and independent system since you can't be everywhere all at once. Transitioning from being the boss to building a room that runs itself requires specific structural along the cultural changes. Establish decision rights. Clearly mapped out to the team which decisions require your approval and which ones team members can make independently. This will empower your team to own outcomes within defined guardrails. Build the system, not just the team. Install a consistent operating cadence. Like weekly metrics reviews, monthly strategy check-ins, this rhythm naturally takes the place of your constant intervention and loses the feeling of micromanaging. Encourage problem solving. Learn to stop providing immediate answers when issues escalate. Instead, start asking coaching questions that force your team to think critically and develop solutions on their own. Train your successor. Learn to cultivate a number two who knows what you know. If your team crumbles in your absence, you have built dependency, not a scalable, productive organization. Reward initiative. Don't catch every ball that falls. Give your team permission to act and let them learn from their minor mistakes without stepping in to take over. When they learn from their mistakes, they get better. Also keep in mind, if you as a leader reprimand every little mistake, a lot of them will get swept under the rug eventually and turn into much bigger issues. Leadership is about cultivating others who can make smart decisions when you're not in the room. Whether you're an entrepreneur or working for a company and climbing the corporate ladder, your next level depends on how well you prepared others you have left to think, act, and be productive. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams. They'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'll see you in the future.